This bad boy is 22 inches long.
Please hang up and try again.
Hey everyone, it's Natasha. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a Kim K inspired pony. So I am showing you guys a tutorial on how I did this ponytail. If you guys want to see it, please stay tuned. And for those of you guys that are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Keep watching. First things first, you want to make sure you haven't washed your hair in a couple days. I'm going on day 6, which could be a little dirty, but it's just the natural oils that your hair produces is good for doing a nice sleek pony. And the two products that I normally use when doing a sleek pony are the TRESemme hair gel, really nice when you combine this with water, and this edge booster that Carly Bible recommended, and I bought it on Amazon, and it's really nice for the baby hairs. So you want to make sure you have a comb like this, because it's really gonna pick up all of the hair. And then we're gonna have, these are obviously been used for a long time now. It has like hair balls on it, but you wanna make sure you have scrunchies and you wanna make sure you have bobby pins. So this is really what you need to make a nice sleek pony. And Kim K's look is all about sleek, making it look effortless but also beautiful. So that's what we're gonna work on. So I'm in my bathroom, and I usually have the water on because I mix this hair gel with water. I don't like to put the hair gel straight on the hair because then it dries up too quick, and I want to make sure that the water doesn't allow it to dry up too quick so that I could style it until I feel like it's perfectly styled. So I'll show you guys. So you just want to add like a little, like this. A little goes a long way, and then you add with water. Okay, so I've added with water, and then I'm just gonna, so you're just gonna put it all over the front of your hair and in the back. Okay, so this, what I do is every time I'm going to pass it, I add water to it just so it can make it nice and slippery and not too hard, because I'm not done. So you just want to style it out as back as you can. Okay. And you want to do also the back. Okay. So now I'm just going to keep going. So you want it, you can do it at any level that you want, but I like my pony because it's also an inspo by Kim. I want it to be pretty high. So now I'm just gonna keep styling it until everything is smoothed out, because I already figured out that I want it this high. You want to make sure you have a tight grip on it. You don't want any hairs to be hanging. You want to make sure you have everything, and you want to keep it tight. Okay, so now that we have a tight grip on it, you can use one of the scrunchies you have to wrap it around. And my hand is really cramping right now, like it hurts, but this is what you need to go through to get a nice pony, especially because you're doing it yourself. It's not like you have anyone else helping you. So now that the ponytail is super sleek, this is real tight. Like, I feel like a cat. Like, my eyes are just swooped up. So now that it's super sleek, there's two ways to put a pony. You can wrap your hair in a bun, like super, super tight with bobby pins, and then this baby is gonna go around the bun, or you can leave it loose like this and wrap it around the loose hair. This is my preferred way of doing it just because I feel like it looks more natural, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Like I said, this has a little clip to clip right in the center, and then you can start wrapping it around. And as I'm wrapping it around, I'm putting bobby pins to secure each corner, so to speak. That way, I don't feel like when I go out, there could be an emergency and my hair is like halfway falling out, you know? So it just goes right in there, like right in the center. And I'm gonna put a bobby pin to secure that. I just realized I was recording without my ring light, and now we're back on it. So sorry about that, guys. I'm wrapping it around, and this has a little separate end to it, which is this is what we're gonna wrap around the pony. And you can use as many bobby pins as you want to secure it. This hair gets so knotty. It's so annoying to have to hold. Okay. So now, as you can see, I'm starting to wrap it around the center because we're almost done with the pony. When you want a really nice, real nice professional pony, you always wrap your own hair around the scrunchie so it could look like you went to the hair salon and got it done. Okay, so you see, I'm wrapping until there's no more hair left, and then securing the hair that is left with bobby pins. I always like to brush it out, and you always want to hold it in the center, because if you start brushing it out, you're gonna mess up what you just did. So you always want to hold it in the center and just comb it out. I can be a little aggressive with the way I comb it, but that's just me. And what's crazy is that you really can't see my real hair because it's combined with the pony hair. So now that we've done this, I always like to use a little extra gel mixed with water for these sideburns. You always want to make sure the sideburns are secure, and then just dab it a little more just to make it that much sleeker. Perfect. So you see how sleek that is. And then I like to use a toothbrush. This is a hair toothbrush. I don't use it for my teeth. With the edge booster to be able to do my baby hairs. And I usually do like tons of baby hairs, but because this is a Kim look, she only does the 1 and 1, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So again, with the edge booster, it's real nice consistency. It's a gel-like, but I always combine it with water too, because if you don't, it dries up so quickly, and if you haven't styled it to the way you like it, it's not gonna go well. So mix it with water, and you always want to mix it like this, and then you can start taking out your baby hairs. So you see how nice those baby hairs are? The baby hairs. The pony looks super sleek, super pulled back, really nice and high, and this is literally it. This is how you do a ponytail, and you can really put this hairstyle and go out for any occasion, whether it's out to dinner, whether it's to an event, whether it's to a baby shower, to a wedding. Honestly, you can pull this hair off for anything. It's so nice and it doesn't require so much energy. I'm gonna add some earrings to it because she's been wearing long earrings lately. These are not long, these are hoops, and it's just gonna give it a little more pop to the pony. And these are actually really nice. I got them from Celeste Jewelry. It's located in Miami, and I really like them because they're not too heavy, and I just think they're perfect. They're not too heavy, they're not too big, they are just perfect. So this is it. Okay, I'm done feeling myself. You guys see the pony, you guys see how I did it. I'm really glad you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It would really mean a lot to me. And if you guys have any suggestions for any videos that you guys want to see, just comment below. I will go ahead and do that. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys later.